How to change the phone language on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down, then tap on General Management. After that, tap on Language. Now at the moment, I only have English United States added to the language list. If you want to add in another language, tap on Add Language. Next, scroll down the list and select another language. For example, Italiano, I can select that. And then I'll choose Italia. And I can choose Set as default. And that's it. Now if I tap on the back here, you can see my phone language will be in a different language. Now it is a bit slow after it changed the language. It takes some time. But here if I swipe down at the top to open up the menu, you can see the font is now in a different language. So go back down to General and then tap on Language, Lingua, and then I'll select English and then I'll tap on Applied. And that's it. So that is how you can change your phone language on the Samsung Galaxy A15. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.